Holy shit, dude. Are you kidding me? Oh.
Dashcam.
Can I go?
Yeah.
Can I leave them? I think about things long term if I are you kidding?
What?
You know what it is, right?
Oh, it's the car?
It's like 200 you parked too close. But did you hit her? I didn't feel anything.
What?
You didn't. It's okay, we have a dash cam right here.
We didn't hit you.
We didn't hit you. We did not. Stop. We did not.
Wait,
We didn't.
We have a camera.
We
Did not hit your car.
Con tuần à?
No. Was it yellow at all? No.仲未講大話啫 for fraud, obviously.
Dumbass.
Watch out. Easter people. Easter.
And there
Hey, how's swastika?
bank. The subject line read, final notice, documentation required. I just touched the laptop, didn't need to. That one was only it was hanging by red. Providing is one step away from blasting. And I have all this to prevention, but final name. It looked like British Michelle. It looked like slam doors for competitions.
You guys okay?
Yeah, fine. I don't know what happened with
Sipping a
him.
cup of coffee while typing a series of emails with steady hands. Cold, precise,
What are you doing?
deliberate. I had waited months for this moment.
No, get out of the way.
Pitches,
You'll have the cops here in a minute if you don't move.
and most importantly, the
Get out of here. Get out of here.
Get out of the way!
It's fine. I have a car for you. That's fine. You guys are fine.
Yeah, well, I suggest you call the police.
Oh, God, yeah, that's fine.
I sent the packet off. Oh wait, 2 weeks later, this morning, I was at my apartment one morning when my phone rang. It was my mom, Randy. All of it. Something's happened with the thing.
heading home right now. Yeah, but I need to tell Dad.
$25, 10 more.